My other question is, you channel source. Do we all have the ability to do that? And
Without exception.
How do we access that?
Well, think about everything that we've been saying here today. So we're broadcasting, yes? So Esther, through meditation, she didn't know what she was doing. She didn't know she was getting herself into this, or she probably would have said no. She didn't want to be this weird for this long. But through meditation, she allowed her vibration to rise. And then one day, she could hear us. And it's the same with all of you. In other words, isn't the receptive mode just that? When you release enough resistance that you're on the frequency of what's being broadcast, then aren't you going to hear it? Without exception. No exception. Esther's not special in that regard. She just released resistance. She didn't start out with much. She was living happily ever after, newly in a relationship, living happily ever after, happier than she'd ever been in her life, and then sat to meditate. Right there, boom, there we were.
Is it like voices, or is it like something that like synchronicities in the world?
Every experience is different.
Okay.
For Esther, it's a thought so strong in her mind she cannot deny it. And not even a thought that she thought, a thought that's just there. A thought that's just there that needs to be said. We aren't whispering words in her ear. That's so slow. Yeah.
Okay,
Good?
thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you have a desire, you light up. If you have a desire that you're worried about, it sort of puts your light out. Here you go. Sometimes you have a strong desire and some resistance too, but your desire is so strong, we see it anyway.